What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Vintage, back at it again with another video, man. Today I'll be doing an unboxing from Mnml and showing you a couple of dope pieces I got from them. I feel like I should be sponsored by Mnml, man, because I just keep shopping with them, keep spending my hard-earned money on Mnml. Like, they got some dope items. If y'all have not checked them out yet, please go check them out. Y'all like their clothing a lot. I actually got this site from Tony D2Wow. He was like promoting it very, very heavily, and after he started really promoting it heavily, I was like, man, let me go ahead and copy it, because honestly, I never seen a website with a .la, because it's Mnml.La, it's not Mnml.com, and I was like, is this legit or not? And I finally seen him do a video about it, and I was like, man, I might start copying stuff, because they got a lot of dope pieces. The first piece I actually got from them was the jean jacket with the fur on the inside, and it was like 80 bucks. It's pretty high-end, like, clothing, I would say. The materials is nice. It's not like cheap material like some Fashion Over, Forever 21, stuff like that. It is nice. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. We're on the ground to 20,000 subscribers, man. Shouts out to everybody that got the channel to 16.5K. It really means a lot, like, from the bottom of my heart, man. I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will be in the description box below. Go follow me over there for your boy. And yeah, let's get into this box, man. I got a big box. It's not that big, but usually when you get clothes from them, it just comes in like the little plastic bags. Y'all seen the unboxings. Y'all go check it out and you'll see how it usually comes. But I finally got it in a box, man, as you can see. So let's get into this thing and see what we got. Let's get it. Where is the box cutter? Got the box cutter handy. Let's get in this thing real quick. Like I said, you can do like Tony 10. I think that's the coupon code. You can save 10% off of your order and save you a couple of bucks. Like I said, this is pretty expensive, I would say. Like, it's not on the like reasonable pricing. This is like you buying something that you can wear for a long time, you feel me? So yeah, here you have it. Check it out. Like I said, it's my first time getting anything from Mnml in a big like box like this, and it comes with this brown tissue paper. And yeah, let's get into it. Got the little invoice, Mnml, right there. Check it out. And yeah, so the first thing I got, which I will try on for you guys. First, I'm gonna put them all on my little rack or whatever for the clothes and stuff. I got another one of these shirts. If y'all didn't check the picture out on my Instagram, I'll post it right here. I got this shirt, I let my boy borrow it, and I never got it back. So I was like, let me go ahead and just get another one, man. So here you go right here. We got the black striped shirt. Like I said, I will do like a little try-on video at the end, or I might intertwine it, if that's even a fucking word. I will put that in the video somewhere, me trying on all the items. So here you go. The first item is the Mnml striped tee. And it's a drop tee too, so like stop right here, which you'll see on the video. So let me hang this up real quick. Yes, sir. The material is super nice. Like, it's not no cheap stuff. All right, next in the bag, we have something I probably won't be able to wear until next summer. Y'all already, I mean, till next winter. Y'all know I'm about to move to San Antonio, and I heard it's never fucking cold there. And I got this jacket. I was like, it was on sale because, you know, it's going into the summertime. I was like, bro, if I don't cop it now, I probably won't ever get it for this price again. And I got the Sherpa jacket. This is probably the dopest jacket, I swear to God. And I know y'all probably like, why does it get pink? But I don't know, the color just was fire. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with this jacket, but it's just fire. It's just super fire. So here you go right here, Sherpa jacket in that like pinkish, beigeish colorway. I had to get it, bro. Don't judge me, y'all. It's this fire. I'm gonna swag it out for y'all boys. Damn, I ain't said swagging forever.
Something about that.
And this was like 60 bucks, I believe. All right, next we have another jacket. Like I said, I probably won't be able to wear this till like fall or winter time. And it is the Reptile Python print trucker. It's like a jean jacket, but like in a Python print right there. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it out real quick. And I actually seen, this is when I like went to Mnml. I was like, I'm about to buy this jacket. And I seen that jacket on sale. And I seen a couple of other items, like I said, that I got. And I was like, I gotta get it, man. This thing is dope. Super duper dope. So here you have it, that Python print trucker jacket, man. This mug is fuego, bruh. Fuego. Can't wait to throw this on for y'all. I'll show you how it look. And yeah, check it out. Python print jacket. Y'all stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna try everything off. All right, the last item I have is a pair of like track pants slash just cargo pants, or what do they call these? Cargo draw cord pants. I got these in the size large. As you can see right here, I got like that digicam or whatever you call them. They don't have the actual name of this. Like it's like a camo, just a camo pants. And I don't have any camo pants in my wardrobe, so like let me go ahead and cop them. Yeah, I got them in this color. Very, very dope. I don't know what shoes I'm rocking with. You can just rock this with any shoes, honestly. Any shoe back there I can rock these with. And I will show y'all these how they look when I do this little try on at the end of the video, man. So yeah, check them out. So those are all the pieces that I got from Mnml. And I will link their website in the description box below if you want to go check them out. And I will leave Tony D2 Wild's coupon code at the bottom so y'all can save that 10% off. I think it's 10% or $10 off, one of the two. But I saved a lot of money on those 4 things that I did get. So I'm gonna try them on real quick, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna end the video off. So let's get into these clothes, man. Let's get it. All right, first thing is y'all can see right here, man, the drop tee. Like I said, you already seen this in the try on haul when I did the Mnml Fashion Over and all that video that y'all liked. I really like that video. I'm gonna do more of those once I get more clothes and stuff like that. But here you go right here, just a regular little drop tee, man. Like I said, I did post a picture of me rocking this thing, and it was fire, bro. So go check that out. Follow me over Instagram, and yeah, let's get into the next piece. So I'm gonna just throw the jacket over what I got right now, just so it ain't too much going on. You feel me? But here you have it, that pink jacket right there, man. Very, very dope. You feel me? I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna rock this thing out. You feel me? Y'all probably like, why you got a pink jacket? But like I said, different flavor. I like these colors, man. And yeah, check it out. The Sherpa pink jacket. Fuego. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's get into the last piece. I got the pants and then the Python, or yeah, the Python trucker. So let me let this camera up real quick. I don't like the angle, man. All right, there you go right there. Check it out, check it out. All right, let me take these 2 pieces off, and we'll throw the pants on and then a jacket. All right, here you have it, the Python trucker. Check him out, check him out. This is probably one of my favorite pieces that I got from them. This is probably my favorite, man. Check it out. Shouts out to Tony D2 Wild, man. This thing fire. It's like stretchy material too, like it's weird. But here you have it. Python trucker jacket. Yes, sir. Give y'all some B-roll of it real quick. Nothing on the insides, you know. You know we coming. Like you don't gotta shop at Gucci, Louis Vuitton, none of that stuff to look fly, you feel me? You can just rock you some nice, reasonable price things, you feel me? All right, let's get these pants, and that'll be the video. All right, I'm gonna take the camera off for this last one. Check him out. You got the like the camo pants, man. Very, very dope. I like them a lot. They had another pattern that I was thinking about grabbing, but I was like, I'm gonna wait, because I was already spending a lot of money on Mnml. But I'm definitely going to go back and get those other ones. Y'all go check out all the pants they got. Mnml.La, I put it right here. Go check them out, man. Y'all will not be let down by what they got. They got a lot to offer a lot of you guys. Like sneakerheads. You got the nice tapered fit at the bottom of your pants. They go right over your sneakers. And it just looks nice, man. You don't want your pants all baggy and shit over your sneakers. So go get them. Go check them out. Like I said, these are the cargo draw cord pants. See if that focus right there. Size large. They kind of run small, so that's why I didn't get a medium. I'm usually a medium, but I went ahead and got a large. So if I was you, I'd go up a whole size on the pants on Mnml. So yeah, there you have it. All right, like I said, thank everybody for tuning into the video, man. I really appreciate it. More unboxings coming soon. I got a package from Fashion Over. I got to show you what I caught from them. Got a couple of dope items from Fashion Over as well. And also have a dope fire sneaker coming from GoDap. Y'all stay tuned for that. This is probably my most expensive pickup of this year. And I didn't see myself spending the money on this shoe, but I seen somebody wearing the sneaker and I was like, I got to get them. And I went straight to GoDap and I purchased some things. They should either be here tomorrow or the day after next. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. But Fashion Over video will be dropping tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned for that as well. All that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy. Like the video, you know, to go for your videos, 100 likes. Share the video, man. We're trying to get that 20K, man. Share the video for your boy. And follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. Link will always be in the description box below, man. And with all that being said, go check out Mnml.La. Tell them your boy The Vintage sent you so they can, you know what I'm saying? They need to sponsor your boy. They need to sponsor your boy. All the money I've been spending, all the promoting I've been doing for them boys. So appreciate all the support. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.